I bought some 1 by 10 by 16 lot. So I want to build um the floaty shelf, which is the woodwork guy is gonna make it. House is gonna make that, and he's gonna make the shelf for up here like this. It's gonna look like this. This 2 inches wide, flat, open there. But then I want a microwave stand. So I was like, that's no height to put a microwave. So I went there and I cut off a piece of the 1 by 10, and I saw some curves in his trash that he's about to burn. I was like, what the frick are you doing? You throw away that in the garbage. It was like, it's part from a project. And I take up the legs. Ooh, it bitter when you cut it. It like bitter wood, right? So I took him out, I lined it up, and I asked him to shave it up for me, and he did. So now this is my microwave stand legs. Yeah, so I cut this and I glue it on and use this clamp to clamp it. The next day I went back. I weren't feeling well, so I couldn't do it. So I went yesterday. He actually do it for me because I have my lady parts not working. Right, so now I need to bolt it up. And you know me, trying to get I didn't carry the ring light stick. I didn't carry the thingy stick. So, a microwave and a pot. Drop on my finger. Drop on my finger. And my little level. And then the other shelf is gonna go here. Right here. So good enough space in between for the microwave. Yeah. Okay. So the microwave go here and the kettle go here. This is the fine thread that comes with the free bit they give you, and I have a 2¼ one. However, this fatter, like they have measurement sizes of screws, because I don't really need that long one. Stanley, here we go. Nope, it's gonna break, and I don't want that. I just have to get a shorter screw with exact grip. Maybe this is an inch. I can't see the size. Perhaps it's an inch or three quarters. I don't think it's 3/4. I think this can squeeze in it. Change your battery. Just installed this shelf for the microwave. Now the woodwork base is building the top shelf, open concept of a top shelf similar to that bit to put up here. I found these things in the garbage down there that they were going to burn because I built this, half of it. and the guy helped me with the house, helped me with the rest. And I found these in the garbage, and I take them out and I ask him to assist me to line them up properly and cut them properly. And that's how I end up with that little design on my shelf on the legs. Right, so I just installed this, and yeah, cupboards are coming in soon. Drawers are going to be here, and doors there for the garbage bin and all of that fancy stuff. The door of this is going to change when everything is said and done. Give me months, y'all, give me months, because I'm running down funds and funds is running away from me, y'all. Guests, please come and support so I can fix up my place. Without you, I can't do it. All right. And yes, material is there for that to be built. Just time and patience for the woodwork shop, because he's strapped with work. That's why that is not there yet, because I wanted to make proper.
He wakes before the morning's call, while stars still whisper through the hall. His weary steps so slow, so true,